Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Doing a little window cleaning today. I got 13 windows in the front to clean. There's 5 here, and then 5 just like it down at the other end. Down at the other end, and then 3 big ones there in the middle, right in there. And they are full window screens. There's 13 windows, 13 screens. Most of these are in pretty decent shape. The screens themselves, I've seen better. But we got one with a bent frame right there. And here's a hole right there. And those 2 look okay. And then you got one little crooked right here. And down here, this one has come loose right there across the bottom. And it's loose up here at the top. Loose up there. Sorry about the camera work. You can see these windows have seen better days. I don't know. A lot of that looks like that's on the inside. But we're going to do what we can to get them clean. We got another one up top that has come out. These over here all look good. As far as not really any damage to them, they're just old and weathered. Here's those other 5 windows right here. All right. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. All right, done with the windows and the screens. I just got to put them back on. They all look wonderful. All of that's on the inside. That's all on the inside. Sorry about this camera work, guys. I'm kicking my tripod. All right, I'll show it to you when I'm done with everything. Okay, all finished up here. I got the screens put back on for the most part. A lot of this is on the inside of those windows. But from the outside, they look a lot better. And some of these, all of them had screws in them. I'm gonna have to go to the house and grab some screws because I dropped them in the leaves. They're gone forever. But I'll be back to do that. I appreciate it, guys. I really would like a subscribe and a comment. See y'all on the next one.